The rain is about to start at any moment here at Hamilton Dome. Very ominous. So I love me a good thunderstorm.
Yeah, you do. The rain's starting to pick up, so camera's gonna have to go away, but we're going over to Finding Nemo. Bye. Finding Nemo, the musical. We got our own little, like, two-seater bench over here. So we good.
First day of school, he was born with a kiss. We call it lucky thing.
Dad? Let's name the songs, the songs, the songs. Let's name the songs of the old and sea. I'm the Polar Explorers. Who's this?
He's got a little thing. I got time when he gets tired, just give him a break. 10, 15 minutes.
Don't worry, we're gonna travel as a group.
What? Try school again next year. No, you can't swim alone. No, you can't. Come along. You think that you can do these things when you are wrong.
I hate you.
What are you doing? You got back here. Well, you're in big trouble over there. You really need to Dad.
Oh, trust me on this. It's what friends do.
Okay, I guess. If you say so. Hey, look, something's shining. Come, let's
Let's go.
You'll be okay. So thankful this is a little one. Uh-oh, and the next one, did you guess? Me.
Okay. That's just scary.
I forgot how amazing all the puppeteers are in that show.
Yeah,
It's so incredible. Like, I don't know if it just like has more appeal to me because we've only ever seen it one other time. But like, it was just nice to do that instead of Festival of the Lion King.
Yeah, change it up a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I love Festival of the Lion King. I think it's an amazing show as well, but I really like that one as well, too. They're both great shows. Highly recommend. I really like the music from that show. Oh my God.
You could get a wild bag.
I could get a roaring bag. Finally, Disney got on board. They're watching the video. They knew. They knew. Wow, look at the line for Primeval Hurl. It's like out the thing. 40 minutes.
Hey, guess what? It started raining again. And then it stopped. Like less than 5 minutes. Like we walked into the restroom and it wasn't raining. We came out and it was pouring.
And 1 minute afterwards, basically, it's like this.
Yeah, now it's just very lightly sprinkling.
Puddles are like buttons. How can you resist them?
Ever. Because I have hairy legs that don't dry quickly.
Mine do.
If I shaved my legs, maybe I would. But that's way more work that's not worth the price of being able to stomp in a puddle.
As soon as you shave it, it would be back.
That's true.
What was it? Somebody commented one time.
Somebody just commented and said hairy arms.
Yeah.
It's like,
and then somebody else compared you to Robin Williams because of your hairy arms. I'm like, well, is that a bad thing?
yeah, it's sure that one person was just like,
I like your spirit.
thanks. I mean, and one person who's like hairy arms is like, well, I mean, thanks. I was aware of it.
But you know,
That was
appreciate you pointing it out.
The only comment, they said hairy arms. That's it. Didn't say like, wow, Brian, I didn't realize you had such hairy arms.
Oh my gosh, this is a life-changing adventure for me. I had no idea that I married a hairy person.
How long? How long have you known?
Triceratops. I hear that all the dinosaurs die, and you die with them. I think that's what happens. Like, you get stuck in the Cretaceous period and die with all the dinosaurs. You definitely don't make it back. I did. Carnotaurus. Definitely not our dino. Shut up! Chris. Wait, now I don't know what I'm supposed to say.
Cretaceous.
Close closing up. Brian's back here saying the coordinates have been securely locked.
Yeah, I mean, we're just gonna pop back into the past, looking at through dinosaurs, pop back into the present, and you know, get on with our lives.
Oh, fun stuff.
That's it.
Nothing could go wrong. Nothing. Row 1.
No dance parties.
No dance parties, Brian.
We must sit and hold
I
hands.
have to supervise you.
Yeah.
You must be
Well,
supervised.
you gotta sit and hold hands. That's how it
Oh, okay. But we're not sitting. Sit down.
T-minus 10 seconds.
Here we go. 10 seconds, Brian.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in,
Grab the Equidon and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Woo! Dino breath. Whee!
Asteroid impact.
You made it. And look what made it back with you. Your hat.
I held on until the rope comes to a complete stop.
We thought it was raining just because everybody was like packed into the gift shop, but it's not.
They weren't in there because of rain, is what I'm trying to say.
It's not.
They were in there for the crustaceans. New thing.
The Cretaceous period.
Not a yes sir, not a firework. I was like,
Those mountains are floating. You're throwing stuff in frustration and anger. Calm down. Follow the Mickey. I'm very glad we got to see the standby queue, but I'm also very glad we're not waiting in it again.
Where's State?
Same one as last time, but a much shorter wait. C, we're 5 and 6.
Please make sure you can all see the screen.
Of course it would be 5 and 6.
Yeah, exactly. Do you see how it knows where you are?
Prepare systems for the next group.
All systems engaged.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
You're all clear.
Great. Now let's find Now let's find your avatar matches.
So do you like that Flight of Passage or Flight of Passage over California better?
I mean, California's pretty sweet if that existed, but I don't think it does.
No, man, that is seriously like the best ride.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It smells good.
I think I've realized why I get motion sick more so on simulators, especially 3D ones, because I have a lazy eye. And like 3D never really works on me. It always looks a little blurry. So I just close my right eye during it and then I can see. Things are clear and then I don't get sick. It's amazing.
Well, good. You'll have to remember
I just have to look like this. I need to be a pirate.
Yo ho, a banshee flight for me.
A pirate flight for me.
For you. And you, and you, and you, and you.
Home. And it's so cool. We have never lost a bird. And it's all because of that positive reinforcement. They have their home, they have their social interaction, their shelter, their food. They have all of the reasons to stay where they are now, and they don't ever leave for very long.
Did you rise to the challenge and navigate through those crowds?
I did.
Good for you.
It would have been much easier to do it on the back of the Banshee.
Yes. Wouldn't that be amazing? Ride Banshees over Disney.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty
Get on
sweet.
that, Imagineers. Make it so I can actually get on a Banshee and fly over the parks.
That would be amazing.
That would be terrifying at the same time.
Amazing. As long as I'm not I don't want to be, well, what do you try to eat humans though?
Possibly.
Without becoming,
There you go.
whoa, because they're macaws. Apparently when there's an unattended box, it's called a 460, code 460, because there was an unattended lunchbox back over there.
Yeah.
And the cast members were calling somebody about it.
Guarding it, like someone just forgot their lunch.
Yeah, but it's good to know that they keep an eye out for those things.
Yeah, look, they've done decorations.
Oh, they have. All that didn't used to be there.
Namaste. It's another beautiful day in Anandapur. Let's keep looking up and enjoy the music.
Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug.
Hello, my name is Russell. I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Boss Russell, tell us about your furry friend.
He's Bernard. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Talk? Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you. Hi, buddy.
Hi, well, like Marissa said, this guy here on this rock, his name is Miles, and Miles is called a trumpeter hornbill. They're found in Africa, and these birds are built for extreme flying. You know, they can maneuver in and around trees, catching flying insects right out of the air valves. All right, now Miles is going to fly straight through your arms, right into there. Here he comes. Excellent. Good job.
You did it.
A yellow-headed Amazon parrot, and Kino lived with a human family for quite a while, so he's learned to show off his personality in some pretty cute ways. So we're going to start off with some the animal impressions. Can you do your big, scary tiger? Oh, yeah. How about your kitty cat? It's a no kitty cat. But something that Kino does really well is sing. Oh yes, and he's been working on a song for everyone. Would you all like to hear Kino's song? Okay, Kino, they want to hear it. Oh, you are pretty excited. Are you ready? Let's sing.
That help connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi there.
Hi.
I like the birdies.
They like you, Doug.
Everyone, meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Oh, no, bald eagles aren't actually bald.
That's right, Russell. They get their name from an old English word, piebald, which means of different colors, like the white on her head and the brown on her body.
So, what did you think?
I thought it was fun.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I didn't think it was any worse than the old bird show that used to be there.
No. I thought it was fine. It was pretty similar to the old one. Just
yeah.
threw in Doug and Russell, which added a little bit of
humor. Yeah.
Slapstick comedic.
I thought it was cute. I think it makes it better for kids.
Yeah.
The way it is. Wow, it looks like it's gonna storm again. Look over there. Oh man, this weather, this trip is rough.
Yeah.
Lots of rain.
We haven't had the best luck weather-wise, but
that's okay.
We can still have fun even if it rains.
You can. Man, Doug and Russell, they move quick. They were just over there on the bird show and now they're over here meeting people.
They made really good choice.
They did, man. They move fast. There's thunder. More thunder. Da, da, da. Oh, there's more thunder.
Oh, no more.
Please, not after 7. Until 7, but then out after then. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, that's what I said. Duh.
Good talk for me now. Don't go ride down the river.
Da, da, da. So while we were waiting for the Up Bird Show, I scored a Navi River Journey Fast Pass. And there is definitely some thunderstorms coming in. Somebody needs to contact Alpha Centauri Expeditions because their habitat restoration is definitely working because it's been storming like every day.
It really is.
And look at all this growth. Like it looks pretty restored to me.
Someone needs to call Death Relations and tell them to change the weather. Like, I'm tired of them choosing rain every day.
Yeah, why would they do that?
It's so rude.
We just crossed the line of AC. I don't feel it. I don't feel it at all. She lied. Okay, I kind of feel it now. Your sound effects helped.
It needed to hear me.
Number 3. We get to be on the front of the boat.
Sivako.
Sivako, rise to the challenge. What's my challenge?
To Sivako.
Oh. Oh, there's a juice bottle. No. Brian just pointed out that that looks like a side profile. It totally was. There's no doubt in my mind. That's cool. Really, what they're trying to say is this is the teacups in Magic Kingdom.
Are they spinning or are they
swirling? They're swirling. They're the swirling saucers.
Are they spinning on the wall?
Yeah, that's true. Phenomenon. They're phenomenon. Phenomenon. There you go. I love this ride so much.
Seriously underrated.
I love how all these screens are integrated in, not immigrated.
Maybe not underrated, maybe overshadowed.
Overshadowed would be a good way to point it. That's why there's so much bioluminescence.
Look now.
Girl, Pandora don't need no filter. Stop it. Stop it with your Snapchat. Pull the camera out of the armhole of the poncho, out of your bag, which is underneath the poncho. Hashtag Disney skills. You need a ring for your neck.
Yeah, or a Wilderness Explorer badge.
Good. Well, no, I think the ring around your neck because that's a good symbol. That's your marital.
I don't really see how that's marital, but you know, if it makes you feel like
a skill that would make you a good husband. Because if you can't do that at Disney, then are you even worth marrying?
That's that is a valid point. That's pretty much the benchmark for husband material. Yeah. Can he get a camera out of a backpack inside of a poncho without getting his backpack wet? If the answer is yes, put a ring on it. So anyway, say goodnight, Brittany.
Good night, Brittany.
Say goodnight, Brittany.
It's not good night though. It's goodbye.
It's Quaharini.
Quaharini, whatever.
I think it was a good walk because there's no rain.
What was that last word? Was it wild? The wilderness is wild. It's the wilderness. No, I don't think that's a real word. There's a smile in your heart when you probably got a fart. I see chocolate milk. What does that mean?
I got a kid's meal.
You got the kids' cheeseburger. I got the chicken nuggets, because they good. They good, yo. How's the chocolate milk?
Delicious.